How to contact Starbucks customer service through the app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact Starbucks customer service directly through the app. Whether you have a missing stars issue, a payment problem, or just need support, this guide will help you reach them fast. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account section. Now from here, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as help and policies. So here under that option, you can see the option labeled as help. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the customer service page of the Starbucks app. And now here on this page, you can simply report your issue that you're currently having, or if you want to contact them directly, you can simply scroll through the page and there you can see the contact button. So here you can simply tap through three options to contact them in three different ways. And that's it. That's how you can contact Starbucks customer service through the app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.